Hi guys! Today I'm planting up a window box that sits right at the entryway of our front door. It's an odd little cutout. This house was built in 1978, so I'm not really sure the purpose of the cutout, but I've always had this 3-foot, this is a 3-foot width window box, and for years I planted everything from bacopa and petunias, impatiens, some daisies sometimes, to full-on herbs, meaning one year I planted just strictly all basil. We like to make like a crostini with feta and basil and tomato and a little bit of olive oil and garlic, and so I go through basil quite a bit. This year I thought, well, why don't I try some strawberries and some mint and dill. The dill I love to use in macaroni salad, potato salad, when you do fish and salmon. Anytime you can use fresh herbs, they really do make a big difference. I don't know if you've ever noticed when you've gone to the grocery store and you know, if you happen to not have any herbs in your house that you're growing or in your garden, just a small little packet can run from $3 to $5 depending upon what kind of herb you use. So this is a nice way to kind of dip your toe, if you will, into gardening if the concept of actually gardening in a big space is a bit overwhelming for you. I've always had great success whether I do flowers or herbs here. So I have 3 strawberry plants, and they're ever-bearing, and so what that means is I will be able to, they'll produce fruit summer and fall. It's the first time I'm planting those kinds, so we'll see how it goes. And then I have the dill and the mint. And the mint I love to use for iced tea or herbal tea. I love to have a cup of herbal tea at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and start planting it up. I don't know if you can see behind me, but I use Recipe 420 potting soil, and I have noticed a difference. When you can use a really good quality potting soil and fertilizer, it changes the outcome of your crops, and whether you're planting in your garden for vegetable herbs, or you're just wanting to plant in your landscape, be it flowers, perennials, or annuals. And then I'm going to use some Espoma Bio-Tone fertilizer. Well, I have it all planted, and I wanted to say that I don't have this on drip, but that's okay because this is my front patio area, and I have about, count off the top of my head without looking behind me, about 7 topiary plants that I have in my patio, and I have a hose right nearby that I love to come out, and I'm always kind of giving my topiaries a haircut, if you will, a trim, and watering them, and I like to tend to those every day, so it'll be easy for me to come in here and get these watered. So don't be afraid to get yourself a small little window box if you have a condominium or a townhome and think, well, shoot, I can't grow herbs, I don't have a big enough spot. Everyone has a small spot on their patio for a small 3-foot window box, and give it a try. Remember to subscribe below and ring the bell notifications for our future videos. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.